आखिर मैंने इसे पा लिया। आप देख सकते हैं कि ये कितनी तेजी से भागा, लेकिन मैंने इसे पा लिया। अब आप देख रहे हैं कि पता नहीं ही what he want to do. He want to do something new in Pakistan. ये अकेला इस रोलर को खींचने की कोशिश कर रहा है जिसकी के 1000 kg जिसका का वजन है, और and he is doing very well. He is trying best. Oh my God, he can do it. He can do it. I am saying that he can do it. Know that what is his facial expression? That what he is feeling. He is saying कि पीछे तो मैंने नहीं आना, and इसने एक पिच पट डाली है। वो घोषणा पिच पटेगी ना, इधर वो होंगे जुर्माना होंगे। हाँ हाँ चल ठीक। और चल पड़ा, एंड उसने कर दिखाया। मैं आपको कहता था ना कि ये कर दिखाएगा एक दिन। एंड ही इज डूइंग वाओ, outstanding for all over the world. The one man is doing the work of 20 or 25 people. Oh, and he has crossed the pitch, and this time he is coming back. So now come and know the expression of this person. So please tell us that are you feeling? What are you feeling? What is your feeling about this work?
I am feeling so painful.
You're feeling so painful. You're not feeling tired. You're not. Oh my God! He's doing again. He's trying his best.
हजार किलो वाला दिखा रहा, भेड़ वाला दिखा। अगू हटा मैं चढ़ाई दे सकते। जल्दी हटा, मैं को खेली नहीं सकता उससे। अगू हटा, कितनी मन खराब, कितनी मन।
चल उड़ी को बजा बुझा। Oh, my circus boy is doing circus. Wow, very nice. You are looking like monkey, my dear friend. You are looking like monkey. And he's again trying his best. Oh my God. He has fallen down and he's coming again to try this new work. Start again. The thing is rolling. Wow. No.